Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unblock games in Roblox. Many players encounter situations where their favorite games are inaccessible, often due to network restrictions or regional blocks. Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate these challenges. We'll cover several straightforward methods, including understanding common blocking reasons and utilizing tools like a virtual private network to get you back into the action quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. Games can be blocked for a few common reasons. Often, school or work networks use firewalls to restrict access to gaming platforms like Roblox, aiming to boost productivity. Sometimes, content licensing agreements mean certain games are only available in specific regions. Additionally, parental control software or even outdated browser settings can inadvertently block your access. Identifying the root cause is the first crucial step to finding the right solution. One of the most effective ways to unblock Roblox games is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN works by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through a server in a location of your choice. This makes it appear as though you are accessing the internet from that server's location, effectively bypassing regional restrictions or network blocks. Simply choose a reliable VPN, connect to a suitable server, and enjoy your game. Beyond VPNs, there are other methods you can explore. Sometimes, simply clearing your browser's cache and cookies or trying a different web browser can resolve minor access issues. You might also check your device's parental control settings to ensure Roblox isn't inadvertently blocked. If you're on a restricted network, consider using a mobile hotspot as an alternative. With these tips, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite Roblox games in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.